How to change Stripe account on Woocommerce. Go to your WordPress admin dashboard. Click on Woocommerce in the left-hand menu, and select Settings from the drop-down. After that, click on the Payments tab. Find Stripe in the list of payment methods. Click on Set Up or Manage next to Stripe. Locate the Disconnect button or similar option and click it to unlink the current Stripe account. After disconnecting, you should see an option to connect a new account, then click on Connect with Stripe or similar to initiate the connection process. You'll be redirected to Stripe's website and log in to the Stripe account you want to connect. After authorizing the new account, you'll be redirected back to your Woocommerce settings page and confirm that the new Stripe account is connected properly. Ensure you save any changes made in the Woocommerce settings. Conduct a test transaction to make sure everything is working correctly with the new Stripe account. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully change the Stripe account linked to your Woocommerce store. Thanks for watching.